ஹலோ நண்பா, நம்ம இந்த வீடியோவில் எதை பற்றி பார்க்க போகிறோன்னா இந்த வீக்கோட கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் பற்றி தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். வாங்க பார்க்கலாம். கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் 19th August Sunday. Recently, which country has applied to join the Asia Pacific Free Trade Grouping? China. Shefa Juneja becomes the first woman chairperson of which organization? ICAO. The 2021 meeting of the SCO Council Heads of the State was held in which place? Dushanbe. Who is the author of the book Translating Myself and Others? Jhumpa Lahira. Which organization has launched the Planetarium Innovation Challenge? mygovernment.india. Extra question of the day from Environment. Which day is marked as the International Coastal Cleanup Day? Third Saturday of every September. Current Affairs 20th August. NPCA has partnered with which entity to enable UPI QR based payments acceptance in 10 Asian market? The Liquid Group. Name the campaign launched by the Department of the Justice for Doorstep. EK Pahal. What is the deadline to link the Aadhaar and PAN card? March 31, 2022. Name the Chief Minister of Punjab who has resigned from the post recently. Amarinder Singh. The annual doing business report will no longer be released due to data irregularities issues at World Bank. Extra question of the day from Science and Tech. Which institute has launched the unique device that can generate electricity from water drop, raindrop and ocean waves? From students of IIT Delhi. 21st August. Who is elected as the new Chief Minister of Punjab? Charanjit Singh Channai. What was the name of the mission under which SpaceX launched world's first all-civilian crew to orbit to Earth? Inspiration 4. Name the mobile app launched by LIC for its development officer, Pragati. Cooper Maheshwar or Catley has been declared as its state fish by which state? Sikkim. The former president of which country has died recently at the age of 84? Algeria president. Extra question of the day from sports. The winner of Asian Snooker Championship 2021, Pankaj Advani. Current Affairs 22nd August. Which organization has released the Global Innovation Index 2021? World Intellectual Organization. Which bank partners with Paytm to launch co-branded credit cards in October? HDFC Bank. How many Indian projects have been selected for Environment Earthshot Award? 2 projects. Punjab Energy Development Agency has tied up with CESL for charging station for electric vehicles in which state? At Punjab. MP government has decided to rename which university as Raja Shankar Shah University? Chhindwara University. Extra question of the day from GK. International Week of Deaf IWD is marked every year on the last week Sunday of every September. 23rd August Current Affairs. Which state recently issued a circular against bureaucrats holding the press conference? Karnataka government. Name the PM of Canada who has won third tenure after winning the general election 2021. Justin Trudeau. The Indian Navy is participating in third maritime exercise with which country? Indonesia. Which state has inaugurated South Asia's largest product development center named Digital Hub to the startups? It's Kerala. Name the Union Steel Minister who has launched Dashboard 2.0 of Ministry Steels at New Delhi? Sriram Chandra Prasad Singh. Uttar Pradesh government has approved to set up electronic park in which of their origin? Noida. Extra question of the day from Economics. What is the abbreviation of IDR? Indian Depository Receipt. 24th August Current Affairs. Which PM has been honored with the SDG Progress Award by the United Nations sponsored? Sheikh Hasina. What is the global economic growth forecast in 2021 as per OECD? 5.7%. In India, how many Indian beaches get the blue flag certification in total? 10 beaches. S Bank has recently tied up with which payment network to credit card to its customers? Visa. Who has recently announced that Asia's first hybrid flying car will be used for medical emergencies? Jyotiraj Kinida. Extra question of the day from economics. What is the latest estimated GDP growth rate of India as per ADB in 2021 to 2022? It's 10%. 25th August, current affairs. Which state had passed the Religious Structure Protection 2021 recently? Karnataka government. Ministry of Commerce and Industry is celebrating Saptah between 20th September to 26th September. Vanijya. PFRDA will celebrate the National Pension System Divas NPS Divas on which date? October 1st. Who has written the book 400 Days? Chetan Bhagat. Transforming Food Systems for Rural Prosperity report has been released by which organization? From IFA. Next question of the day from sports. Who is the player has won 2021 IBSF 6 Red Snooker Cup? Pankaj Advani. World level. So this week current affairs, that's all. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and support.